Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Andrew. This is
Mikolai.
we are co-founders of Solid 4x4. You can check our Instagram page, and this video, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to thumbs up and add and subscribe to the channel. So basically, we would like to introduce ourselves to you. First of all, my name is Andrew. I'm from Ukraine, and I've been in fabrication for about 7 years. My background is microbiology, which is completely irrelevant to this trade, but you never know, right? You always have to pursue your passion. So anyway, around 13 years ago, we came to Canada and we started working in oil patch, because in Alberta, that's the best where you can get the money. So right now we are located in our little shop where we decide to show you today our first product. But before proceeding to that, I would like to give word to Mikolai, and he's gonna tell you about his little story.
So my little story is next. My background is in mechanical engineering. I have a degree, bachelor degree from Belarus. So we start developing our bumpers, working together in oil patch. So that's it.
Short story, guys, but this is right from the heart. So basically, yeah, we for 7 years, for Mikolai maybe 9 years, we've been in oil patch, and we both journeyman Red Seals pipe fitters, and we also journeyman welders, CWB, so we can weld structural steel, but not the piping. We decided to stay away from piping because we like solid stuff. You know, that's why we call our company Solid 4x4. So basically, that's it. We just we like fabrication, we like grinding, we like cutting, we like creating. So this is not our entire crew. We have one more member who's right now located in Russia, and he going to join us hopefully very soon. He has a very big background, of course, about fabrication.
Very big experience in building and designing bumpers too.
Not just bumpers, but off-road solution, right?
Yeah, different parts.
Yeah, he has experience in building auxiliary pump, auxiliary tanks for the off-road vehicles, bumper, off-road armor, recovery gear. So we decide to put all this together and create something, and we decide to follow our passion. So behind this camera is 5th generation 4RUNNER 2016 Trail Edition, which this bumper gonna be installed to. Today we're gonna be fabricating, and we're gonna show you and introduce this, our first product. We actually made 2 of them. One is going to Oregon, to States, and it's already been sold. So the unique part about this bumper is that first of all, you get this skid plate right away. This comes right from the winch point down, so you're already getting this approach angle. And one of the best features is this, I would say, part of the shell, which create right here the opening for the winch opening. And the main thing of this is that you can remove this and service your winch. You know that on the market, a lot of winches that if you break off-roading your line, there is no way, if you're standing like this in the mud until your waist, there is no way you can serve this, right? So Mikolai came up with the idea to remove this part, so you can either fix your synthetic rope or whatever, or service, because you have to service your winch a couple times a year if you off-road very often, because it can get seized up and stuff like that.
I want to add some features when we are talking about this front pad. I call it front pad. First of all, it's mounted on the bolts over here. You can see they match perfectly over here.
Yeah.
So second feature, we will consider you can easily get access with your hand if you want to do something inside or something like this. So third feature, you can look through and you can see when the cable is mounted on a winch, you can see through here the process itself, and also cable will be going through this opening over here. So that's kind of main feature of this bumper. And
yeah, there's a couple more features. So you know, on the market, remember, like a lot of bumpers, like kind of like slim profile, whatever, that goes in between bumper for the 4RUNNER, right? Specifically, this is made for 4RUNNER. That this recovery point, right? They weld it to the shell itself, right? So we came out with the idea that this this ear going to be, one second, it's one of it's right here, which is made, I think, 3/4 inch.
Yeah, we should
right?
talk about like a lug, a pulling lug.
Yeah, pulling lug or recovery point. So it's going not just getting pulled from the shell, it's actually getting pulled from the point which is connecting mounting plate that connecting right to the frame. So that way you're not bending this bumper and not just rely on this 70,000 tensile strength right here, this fillet weld. If this was kind of like a little bit crappy weld, it start cracking and all that. So this is going to be welded all around, putting extra couple grams of steel.
And it's worth to mention inside this pulling lug will be mounted like a plastic bushing kind of.
That's right, from nylon.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And inside the plastic bushing will be installed a shackle. So it won't be direct contact metal to metal. So it won't create any bumpy noise or something like this.
That's right. You know how this shackle's dangling when you're off-roading? So now we did on the lathe. We did couple bushings here. That's right. That's going to be getting tight with this bolt, right, from the shackle. So they're going to be stay in one place. And this won't cost you anything. It's just going to come with this bumper. Other cool features of this that this light, this panel utilize what? Sorry?
So this opening is specially designed for a lighting bar, which will be installed on this pad, just using small brackets over here. So that way, once you unbolt this front pad, you will be able to pull this pad together with lighting bar. So you can easily do maintenance of this lighting bar, or if you want to replace this lighting bar, or if you do something different. So that way you can easily get access to a winch which will be installed over here inside. You have big opening, and over here I want to pay attention, this is specially designed to pull, this opening is designed to pull lighting bar through this shell.
That's right. So it's not like you install the light and you never see it again. You're gonna install it and remove it, or install it and put it back in. You know, so it's completely utilized that. This is little things that kind of help you to maintain that look and also have maintenance and accessibility, right? So, because in case if you're going for a light trip that you're gonna be on the road, you can always remove your bumper without removing the whole bumper structure. Take your winch, which is weight like around 40 pounds, right? Because we're gonna be installing 12,000 pound Smitty-built winch. So once you remove it, you decrease the weight, and you can travel for more without huge fuel consumption.
So next features about this bumper, I want to show you how we're going to attach this bumper to a Toyota 4Runner. This is first mounting bracket which will be attached to a Toyota 4Runner. So we have also second mounting bracket over here which gonna be installed this way, going inside to each other, and also will be welded all the way around here. So this is first two plates, and you can see we have holes over here, and we have also holes over here. So what it gives us, it gives us each direction degree of freedom. By utilizing this design, we will get 3 degrees of freedom in order to adjust this bumper to move in any direction we want. So this is main mounting bracket, which will be welded inside bumper and attached to this mounting bracket. And you can see also adjusting holes made over here too. So like I mentioned before, it gives us 3 degrees of freedom in each plane. So we can easily move bumper any direction we want. Front, back, up, down, left, right. That's it. So next thing about skid plate, when you look on a skid plate itself, you can see a lot of holes cut it out here. It's specially made to, first of all, to attach this skid to a bumper itself, like these front holes and also bottom row of holes. But we have another extra row of holes. What they are for? This is just we are thinking in ahead. So if you want to attach any additional skid plate, which just will be following underneath of 4Runner, so these holes are made for that purpose, to attach any additional plate to protect your vehicle from any damage.
So basically, guys, this is our short story. We would like to add that fabrication is our passion. We pretty confident in software like Autodesk Inventor and SolidWorks and numerous programming. Currently we acquired some pretty cool equipment that's like 3D scanner. We have plasma table. We're not gonna talk brands right now, but we have a welder. You can judge by this green monster what it is, right? So we trying to stay on a budget because we all have families to support, and in the same time we're working in oil patch and trying to pursue our passion. So our biggest piece of equipment is on its way, and this is a forming machine, brake press. Once we get that, our cost of our I'd say product will significantly decrease, because right now we have to pay left and right, and you know that labor is super expensive in North America. I would say even overpriced. But our main goal of this company is create something that affordable, because overlanding and off-road is very, very expensive, and in this channel and this idea of creating that, we would like to help people to create some things. We're gonna show some practical DIY videos, how to build stuff, how to create stuff on 3D modeling, lots to do. So on this particular moment, we're just saying bye to you, and we about to record second video how we're gonna be assembling this, welding this, and installing on the 4Runner. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up, and yeah, we'll be with you. You know, this we're just gonna say that, you know, you're gonna have fun with us, guys. There's no doubt about that. So see you later, and
bye bye.
see you next time later.